Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how we can solve trig equations that involves sine and cosine, but for this case sine and cosine they're in terms of single angles. Now we can make use of this substitution, which is a t is equal to tan theta out of a 2. Is that okay? Whereby a sine theta will be equal to 2t out of 1 plus a t squared, and cos theta will be equal to 1 minus t squared out of 1 plus a t squared. Is that okay? So now I'm going to substitute for sine theta and cos theta in the equation which has been given to us. Therefore we shall say a 2, where there is sine theta we shall substitute with 2t plus 1 plus t squared, everything is squared, plus a 3 into 1 minus t squared out of 1 plus t squared, everything will be equal to a 0. Is that okay? So this one will be 2 into 4t squared out of 1 plus t squared, everything will be squared, then plus a 3 into 1 minus t squared out of 1 plus t squared, everything will vanish to 0. Is that okay? So this side we shall have 8t squared out of 1 plus t squared plus a 3 into 1 minus t squared out of 1 plus t squared, everything will be 0. Now I'm going to find the LCM on the left hand side, and the LCM of the denominator is 1 plus t squared squared. Is that okay? So 1 plus t squared squared divided by 1 plus t squared squared, we shall get a 1. 1 times 8t squared, we shall get 8t squared. Then plus 3 into 1 minus t squared, we shall have 1 plus t squared squared divided by 1 plus t squared, we shall get a 1 plus t squared, and everything shall vanish to 0. Is that okay? So now we shall remain with 8t squared plus a 3 into 1 minus t squared into 1 plus t squared is equal to a 0, meaning that we shall have 8t squared plus 3 into 1 minus t over 4, which is equal to 0. Is that okay? So this one means that we are having a difference of 2 squares, so we have to put it the way it originated from. And after that one we shall expand. We shall have 8t squared plus a 3 minus a 3t of 4 is equal to 0. We shall have negative 3t of 4 plus 8t squared plus 3, everything will be equal to 0. Now members, if we look at that equation, it is in terms of a t, and we can say that let t squared equal to a y. Is that okay? So we shall have negative 3y squared, then plus 8y plus the 3 is equal to 0. So that is a quadratic equation in terms of a y, and a is negative 3, b is 8, c is a 3. Is that okay? So we shall find y by saying negative 8 plus or minus root, which is 64, minus 4 times 3 times negative 3 out of a 2 times a negative 3. Therefore y will be equal to negative of 8 plus or minus, this is 64 plus 4 times 3, that is 12. 12 times a 3, that is 36. Then we have a negative times a negative, we shall have a positive, then which is negative of 36 divided by 2 times negative 3, we shall get a negative 6. Is that okay? So from there we shall say y is equal to negative 8 plus or minus root of 100 divided by negative 6. So a y is equal to negative 8 plus or minus 10 out of negative 6. Now we can say y1 is equal to negative 8. We pick a negative, then we divide by negative 6. Is that okay? So y1 is equal to negative of 18 divided by negative 6. Therefore y1 will be equal to 3. Is that okay? Don't forget that we said that y is equal to t squared. Therefore t squared is equal to 3, and t will be equal to plus or minus root 3. Also we said that a t is equal to tan theta out of 2. Don't forget, yes, we said that this t is equal to tan theta out of 2. So we shall say tan theta out of 2 is equal to the root 3 at first. Then we shall say theta out of 2 is equal to arctan of root what? Root 3. That means that theta out of 2 is equal to 60 degrees. Is that okay? So we need to find other angles, and we shall sketch our circle. We shall find the regions where cos is tan is positive, and we have this region and that region. Here the angle is 60. Now to find the angle here, the second angle, we shall get 180 plus the 60, which is 240 degrees. Is that okay? So theta is equal to, we multiply by 2, we shall get 120 degrees and 480 degrees. Is that okay? Now also we note that tan theta out of 2, tan theta out of 2 is equal to negative root 3. Therefore theta out of 2 is equal to arctan of root 3 but negative. So we shall find a region where tan is negative. So we have everything here is positive, everything here of course is positive, then here is negative, and here is negative, meaning that it was in this fourth quadrant where we found negative 60, and also in this region. So we shall say in this region 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees, and theta will be equal to negative 120 degrees and 240 degrees. Now the question wanted us to solve for theta between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Therefore we are going to come down and we say that, Mr. Examiner sir, theta will range between, or theta is a set of values. Theta is a set of values. We have 120 degrees. We have 240 degrees. Now students, negative 120 is below 0, therefore this one will be out. And also positive 480 is above 360, therefore it will also be put outside. And the required solution is 120 and 240. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video for more about mathematics. I love you.